No other press brake system has as many productivity features offered as standard equipment as Safan. Take a look at why Safan is clearly the leader in high-speed precision brakes.
One of the most unique features of a Safan Electric Press Brake is the motion system for the upper beam. The upper beam, or ram, is driven by two servo motors, one on either side of the beam, which are connected by a belt and pulley system, which amplifies the power of the motor and evenly distributes the force across the beam. The machine belt is polyurethane with high-quality steel wire inlay. It's the same type of belt that's been vigorously tested and proven in the elevator industry. This even distribution of force eliminates the need for crowning devices in 95% of applications. The next feature I would like to show is how the ram's return is powered by high-tensile compression springs. This eliminates backlash in the gear, and if there ever were a failure in the drive system, the beam would always travel up. The O-frame design of a Safan functions as a whole, resulting in a much less outward deformation than a conventional C-frame. This allows the tool tip center point to be controlled much more precisely, in turn controlling the bending line to provide for much more precise flange dimensional control. Another thing that I really like about Safan is the focus that they put on ergonomics. All of their machines have control heads which are mounted on movable swing arms. They also have a vertical height adjustment for different height operators. They've even gone as far as to make it very simple to change it from a left-handed operator's menu to a right-handed operator's menu, or vice versa. It's currently laid out as a right-hand operator, so a left-handed guy would have to reach all the way across his body while running the machine to change the menus. We can easily change that by going to User Settings, select a left-handed operator, and now all of the functions are on the left-hand side of the screen, much more comfortable for the operator. Also, all of our 35-ton machines are equipped with an ergonomics package, which will be covered in detail in another video. Safan's back gauge is a very stable design with a positional accuracy of plus or minus 5/10,000 of an inch, rapid speeds of 14 inches per second on X and R and Z1 and Z2. We also offer a power Delta X finger for gauging of all tapered parts or for side capturing or gauging more complex form parts with our optional 3D fingers. Unlike other third-party bolt-on light curtains, which operators often find cumbersome and difficult to program, and ultimately they either disable or turn them off, our operators find these a pleasure to work with. They're almost non-existent, and they ultimately make the machine more productive.
With features like these, together with precision high-speed functionality, Safan Press Brakes becomes the ultimate bending machine. Safan, press brake perfection.